I got the front drive shaft from the Excursion here, and I cannot move these caps at all. And by the looks of it, it is the original one. Must have been sufficient when I put it on there, but it wasn't very good, so I should have just replaced it then. So I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna take these clips out, if they'll come out. There, that one's loose. Try to get one of them out. Sometimes these can be a little bit of a pain to get out of here. That one wasn't too bad. Pretty dry in there. And I'll use this cap to kind of knock that one in a little bit to break that clip free. And you want to clean these grooves out a little bit. Wire brush, little wire brush, or wire wheel on a Dremel of some sort would work. Because that gets the crud out of there, so the clips have somewhere to go. We got a brand new Spicer U-joint. It is a 1351. Box is a little hashed from going through the mail, but there we go. You want to be careful you don't knock all the needle bearings out of these things when you're putting it together. So I like to hold up and then tap on them. sometimes you got a real pain in the butt one. Then you can use your vise as a press. And it pushes them right in. Then you can follow up behind that with a socket. So you're going to stick the socket in there. You just kind of hold it. Start pressing that in. Gotta make sure you got the socket centered on the cap, or you'll be putting in a whole lot of effort and not going anywhere, except for trying to pinch this yoke. So that's plenty far. We'll be able to get our clip in. Take your clip, put it in the groove, and then you do the other side. Lift up a little bit, make sure you got everything started good. Press it in. This vise here, since we're working with it, I found this in a scrap metal bin, and I ended up putting new jaws on, which is missing. It's got 3 jaws. You can flip this one around for a real wide opening. And then screw, the nut inside was wore out. Fix this up, oh, a lot less than what a new one was. It still was, I don't know, 50 bucks or better. If you get lucky, you might be able to find one of these at a garage sale or something that doesn't need any work. See if that clip will go in there. Looks good. Now is what you got to do is, I have this pressed a little bit on the tight side. So this is where cleaning your grooves helps, but just give that a strike like that. Now it's good. Now that can be put on the vehicle. And don't forget to install your greaser at some point in time, and put a shot of grease in it. Make sure when you guys install these U-joints and these yokes like this, don't use the part store straps. Use the, like, here's a part store one, just a generic one, and they come with Allen headed bolts. Use the actual spicer This one says 1508 on it, I believe. Didn't come in the actual packaging, so that's the best I can do. I don't remember what I ordered. And I went one step further to ensure that this doesn't try sliding around in here. I went and put some red Loctite around the cap so it'll act like a sleeve retainer. But I got this stuff good and tight though. Well, the only thing left to do on here is put the skid plate back on and the shifter back in, and then I can try it out. I'll get those things back in and bring you guys back and see if this thing actually works. Hey guys, a little dirty here, but I'm out trying the Excursion after fixing the input shaft and the clutch. And the wife has got both grab handles going on. She doesn't like my shenanigans.
Oh my God. You're crazy.
Just testing out the new clutch, dear. What's the matter?
Oh my God.
She's really flipping out now because I'm one hand drifting in the snow and videoing her while making gear changes.
I don't get dizzy.
Something the matter?
It's your fault if I puke on you.
I haven't made you puke yet.
Oh my God.
So far this clutch, factory clutch, is holding a lot better than that ceramic I had in here. We're doing 4th gear cookies in the yard. Almost getting her stuck this time. I should maybe downshift or quit playing because I'm running a little warm on the exhaust temp. I think that was a pretty good test. Right there?
Yeah, now I feel sick. Like, share, and subscribe.
God bless. Thanks for watching.